It's very unfortunate that the government changed from NHIF because of the explanation then that there was a lot and massive corruption. Services to Kenyans who are dying, women who are giving birth, were dying in maternity wards because of lack of facilities. Out of that, the Kenya Kwanza government came up with a new format called SHA, with assurance that now services in our health facilities will be top-notch. Recently, scandals have emanated of hospitals not qualified to be called hospitals because under the Health Act, there are minimum qualifications for one to qualify to be called a medical facility. Those qualifications or those radars have a parameter to have level 1 with these facilities, level 2, level 3, level 6 to the national, that is Kenyatta National Hospital. What has come out is that cartels have been siphoning money to those hospitals. The government has come out denying, but it has accepted that now we are facing a proper stealing of money meant for the patients who are dying. I have seen the CS and I've seen the president give political statements. It is not the responsibility of the CS to order the National Police Service. The National Police Service is a constitutional office created under Article 244 and 245 of the Constitution. The DCI needs simply to get to the SHA transmission accounts, go to the banks where the money was wired to, and arrest the people and arraign them in court. This is a scandal bigger than Anglo-Leasing. This is a scandal bigger than Goldenberg scandal. The reason being, it is money for patients. People, if you steal money for roads, once you are being arrested, that road can be repaired. But when you steal money from a patient, those patients visit mortuaries. All of them have died. And those people have been buried. How shall we return life that has been lost? It is upon the government to stop talk shows. It is upon the government to stop giving threats. This is a very critical issue. Some of the patients are suffering from cancer. It has moved from stage 1 to stage 4. Can we reverse the lives of those people? Some of the people have kidney failures, and now the dialysis machines don't have the facilities to treat those people. So, as a senior advocate, I have come for a sports tournament. Here, the Tenor Cup. Still, as we are enjoying sports, the bigger question, the bigger elephant in the room is what can be done to stop the hemorrhage that we have seen that is causing deaths, that is causing people getting permanent disabilities, and that is getting children getting infected while in hospitals.